Hello everyone, this is Miss Williams. I decided to make a little drawing video for you today. So today we're going to draw spring flowers because, as most of you know, it's April, so it's spring. So I decided that it might be nice to draw some spring flowers. So I'll be using a marker so that you guys can see, but please feel free to use a pencil or crayons. I recommend using pencil first. I'm going to start by drawing a circle for the center of the flower. And I'm going to draw some petals. Some flowers have an odd number of petals, so 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And some flowers have even numbers of petals, so 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 4 so far, and I'm going to squeeze one in between each petal, so there's going to be 8 petals on my flower, but you can add as many petals as you want. Of course, it needs a stem. Stems are the long part that go all the way to the ground, so it can get water, and it takes the water to the rest of the plant. Now I'm going to draw a second flower, but instead of this daisy looking flower, I'm going to draw a tulip. So I'm starting with something that looks kind of like a peep, like a marshmallow peep. And I'm going to do one on the other side. They're going to overlap slightly. Then I'm going to put one in the back. And of course, every flower needs a stem, so I'm going to add a stem. And usually the stem goes all the way down to the roots, but we're not showing roots because roots are underground. And here's a leaf. You can have pointy leaves like this. Or you can have rounder leaves like over here. And of course, our flowers need to connect to the ground, so I'm going to draw some grass. It could be like wavy grass like over there, or spiky grass like I'm doing right now. What else do flowers need? Right, they need sun. So now I'm going to draw a sun. I'm going to put mine up here in the upper right corner. I'm going to add some rays, but you don't have to add rays of light, or you can do tiny slivers of light with just lines. You don't have to make them boxy like mine. What else do flowers need to grow? We've got soil, right? We've got the ground, we've got the sun, but we need water for our flowers to grow. So to show that, I'm going to do a watering can. So I'm going to start with the part that the water comes out of, and I'm going to add a little arm like that, then do the can part. And finally, I'm going to add a handle so that you can hold on to the watering can. Now I'm going to add holes for the water to come out of. There we go. Now I'm going to take a break and color my drawing. Oh, actually before that, let's add the word spring. S for the S, P, R, E, which is an I, N, G. So G, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Now I'm going to take a break and color. And you can color any colors you want. You can use crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you have. And we'll come right back. All right, I've colored. And the most important thing, I'm signing my name or your initials, which is just the first letter of both of your names, and then the year, 2020. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Here's the finished product, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.